you have to come up with the payslip. This is the heart of payroll management. Please watch and listen attentively. This form is also linked with all the other forms which I previously demonstrated to you. Now let us see employee ID. Let us say we should pick John Dakwa for employee and put the information here, and again autofill here. You can see that with John Dakwa, the employee's contribution is 80,000. 10% of basic pay part is of 8 million is 800,000. So we can say the employee's contribution is 800,000. That is for John Dakwa. So you can say that the national ID is 200, the employee ID is 100, and the bad ID is 82. So let us save. And save new. Let us go to another one. Let us go to Martin Jarvis. His employee ID is 300. His post. Oh, no. Let me pick another one. Let's say yeah. Let us say music, and is we saw that the music grade is yes, it's chief IT officer, therefore it's grade F. Therefore grade F is this one. Let us say it's not going to receive leave grant, so this will be 0. If you were supposed to receive leave grant, I could have just returned that figure to be intact. So let us say is 0, but let us let it be 0. Anyway, let us say maybe it's going to receive leave grant. So let's check this out. Yeah. And let us say the payday is what? 31 January. Let us save. Let us go to John Takwa. Let us say he is also going to receive grant. Let us say the payday is say let me say February 2020. So we have made only 2 entries. Now let us see the reports of this. Let us say Payslip, filter by employee ID and payday. There was 100, ID 100 and ID 300. So let us ID 100. Oh, let me check. For ID 100, for 100, this is February, and 100 is for February. 101 is for January. And the start date is, let us say, is 2/29/2020, and the date is 2/29/2020. So you can see that it has filtered for John Dakwa. For if there are several entries which you had their payday on 29 bearing the same name of John F. Dakwa, it could have shown everything here and the total sum. So this is the pay slip for John F. Dakwa using filter method. Let us go to other reports. You can filter by grade. Let us say grade. Filter by name and payday. Filter by name, report, department. So you can make filter by, you can get a report by filtering what you want. And there are also other inbuilt reports. Let's see. These are the inbuilt reports. You can see it has filtered by the sub item code. Let us see the other payslip through exporting, by exporting to the desktop or anywhere you want to say desktop. This is the report. Let us see. Here it is. Then let us say you want to filter by You can see that for February and January, these are the figures. And if you want to find their totals, I've just done it like this. If you are an expert on Excel, then this will just be very easy for you. Using the exported information, you can even click to find uh, for example, you can select as filter by date. Um, so that is for January, just by filtering. There are just so many reports. Say that I don't have much time to show all those reports, but this is how we come up with the payslips and other reports. So with the export, you can play around with whatever you want to find out using the filter feature. Thank you very much for listening and watching.